doing a fun little side project. I managed to score these. These are the metal rear door panels for 68 to 70 Charger. And believe it or not, these are the originals out of my Charger. One of my buddies who had the car briefly before I did, that I bought it from, took these out of it to sell, and they never did sell. So I got a hold of them the other day, and I did a little video with the little camera, tried showing it beforehand, and just with some steel wool and glass cleaner like I cleaned my chrome, brought the paint back in this one. This thing looked trash. This was the worst one. And most of the time you start off with the nicer one, clean it, and you say the other one was the worst one. But this time, honest to God, clean the worst one up first. Even here where the rust was really bad, cleaned it up really nice. So now we're going to do this other one, which you can see here. We'll get a shot of that. And we're going to show you how well this one cleans up. And there you have it. Both those are cleaned up. I mean, they'll never be perfect again, but if you're keeping a car where it's kind of patinaed, that'll clean the rust, some of the surface rust, right off the original paint, and you can save them without having to repaint them. And yeah, this one didn't clean up as good on the top rail as this one did. This one cleaned up really good on the top, but they're still really nice all the same. And the fact that they're original to my 70 Charger Jezebel is cool as hell. So we're going to take those padded pads out, and the padded rear arm pads, and we're going to put these in there and give Dad those nice padded ones. So cool, just showing you guys a quick, easy way to remove surface rust off of old paint to try and save some of that old paint to bring it back out. So that way you just don't have a bunch of rust. You have more paint than rust, and that's better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video just showing you that. And of course you could go over this with clear coat now, or you could buff it or something, bring the paint out even more, probably do some wax. But I don't know, I might do that in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.